What's up, No Revving fam? Today is spark plug day. So I normally just do these myself and I don't worry about it because it's pretty simple. But a friend of mine was telling me I should probably make a video because not everybody thinks that doing spark plugs on a Porsche is as easy as it is on another car. When in fact, it really is just the same as any other car. So we're going to get these wheels off and show you how to change spark plugs. What? I'm hungry. Alright, so now we got the wheel off, we can actually get to the spark plugs. The Cayman S, well even the North Standard Cayman, all the Caymans are flat 6-bit engine cars. And so instead of going under the hood or even through the car, it's actually underneath through here. You'll be tempted to want to pull out the fender liner to access plug in the front of the car. It doesn't give you that much room.
After you remove these 3 T30 bolts off the coil packs, you're ready to remove them and then plug the harness.
So the more difficult side of the car is actually the driver's side, and that's what we're showing you how to do first. You're going to need to use all your attachments and stuff. Wow, Vanna, very nice. You're going to need all your attachments and stuff to make it work, and so there is no set length or size to use. You're just going to have to whatever tools you have, but I would definitely get some sort of wobble joint or even a wrench that has a flex in it. So one thing you want to be careful about is the heat shielding that's on the catalytic converters. It's a little sharp, so you may want to put like a rag over it or something so you don't cut yourself. Oops. And that's that. Once you do the 3 on this side, repeat the same steps on the other side, and you should be ready to rock and roll. Until the next time, Revving out.